Well, today I'm going to show you two videos. The one video is in the winter, the woman called me up and I fixed her wall real quick. And the second video is going to be this wall right here. We just went out on the guy's property and picked a stone and came up and put it as a border wall. So it's a stone wall, so you got two videos. And then I'm going to do a little comment at the end of the first video. And then the second video I'm going to show you how we did this. So here we go. This is a small job, but they called me up and said the wall fell over on the bushes. They want to know if I could fix it. So came to look at it. I'm already here. I'm just going to push it back and show you how I do it. So let's just look at the wall. All it is stone on top of stone. It's leaning a little bit at a time. This is the part I'm going to fix. And it just comes up to here. It's not a big deal. Just the stone on top of stone. So that's the first thing I'm going to do is just put it back. So there's no footer, they just threw it in. So I'm just going to dig out here, find a place where it's flat, and start over again. Before I do that, I'm going to get my persuader, get the rest of this wall back best I can. See that? Well, I'm on the bottom. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I know that one's not going anywhere. I'm going to get something. I'm going to bring it out just like that. Put it in there. Fill the back. I have to work with what I got. That's what I'm doing. That's what they did. Shove it in there. This kind of wall. Just going to put it back. That's it. I can get a big one in once in a while to go deep. Put that in there like that. Just keep going. That's it. You're not going to make a big deal out of this. Coming towards the end. So you know which ones are the top. Like that. Bushes are in the way, but I blended the wall in. I just want to make sure that I get some of these stones back so it won't be falling over again. See that? Well, it did snow the next day, and I'm going to talk about that wall a little bit. I was on my way when she called to get some car parts, and I got there. And I figured I'm already here. I had the hammer and sledgehammer back of the car and everything, and I just fixed it. 2 hours. But that was just a little fixed job. Farmer's wall. Throw it back. That's the sanest thing to do. Well, today's job, we're just going to put a little border wall here for a border, just so no one kind of falls over the bank. It's temporary, but we're just going to throw the stones in. Now we're on the guy's property, and we're picking out stones. I like to get ones with a face on it so we could put them up. Anything crazy, just rock on top of rock. That's it. Sooner or later it'll all work out. Just continuing. Nothing special. Just throwing them in. Well, I'm going to say a little bit about those two walls. I wasn't going to throw my time and their money at trying to fix them like perfect. You know, dig the thing out, put the gravel down and everything. Cost them a hell of a lot of money. Walls like that, you're just better off throwing them back in. Also, this wall, we just went out in the back. We picked a stone. We were done with the whole thing in 4 hours. The old farmers who used to dig up the fields, they'd go around and they'd pick all the stones up in a wagon, and that's how they would do these farmer walls. So there's no right and wrong way in masonry to do something as long as it works. So I just want to point that out, show you a different view on these two videos, so that's it.